My John Deere LA115 turns over great but won't start. I replaced the coil and fuel pump in July when it did this before. It started yesterday but would not start 30 minutes. Later, I'm getting fuel but cannot see a spark.
Hello. My name is. Will be happy to assist you. What method did you use to check for a spark to your spark plug?
Unhooked the coil boot and held it to the spark plug and cranked the motor and no spark.
Thank for your response. Is your engine a Briggs Stratton Intek?
It is a brggs.
You may have a faulty ignition coil. Do you have any carburetor cleaner in a can? If so, spray a small burst directly into your carburetor to see if your engine will attempt to start. If your engine attempt to start, your coil is likely okay. If your engine does not attempt to start, then your coil could be at fault.
Already tried that twice and it will not fire and I have the same feeling. Replaced the coil in July so it is prob bad.
Let's try something else before we declare that your coil is bad. There is a small black kill wire attached to your coil. Remove this wire and check again for spark.
It will take me a little while as I have already removed the coil.
No problem. Take your time. Please take a look at the image below. Image, click here. Try using the method in the image to check for spark after you remove your kill wire. Remove your spark plug, then reattach your spark plug wire. Ground your spark plug to your cylinder as you spin your engine.
Reinstalled coil and unplugged kill switch and now have spark, so I thought I would rehook switch and now have a spark also. There was an excess of gas on the spark plug prob from trying to start so many times.
Thank you for checking. Dry your spark plug or replace it and your engine should start.
We'll try with starter fluid first and then we'll have to reinstall fuel pump.
Okay.
Tried with starter fluid and it sounded like it fired, but when I installed the fuel pump and used starter fluid it just continues to turn over but won't start. There is fuel in the bowl and the spark plug comes out wet.
Have you tried a new spark plug?
It was replaced in July and I am getting spark from this one. I replaced the fuel pump, fuel filter, spark plug, air cleaner and coil in July of this year.
Are you still getting spark to your spark plug? Check to see if you have excess fuel in your combustion chamber. Remove your spark plug again and look to see if fuel spews out of your spark plug hole as you spin your engine.
Still getting spark and there seems to be excessive fuel in the chamber as the plug comes out wet every time. I remove the plug and turn the motor over and it does blow fuel.
Do you have an air compressor? Okay. Spin your engine over a few times, without your spark plug inserted, to blow excess fuel from your combustion chamber. Next, use some compressed air to blow carefully into your spark plug hole, then also use the air to dry your spark plug. Reinsert your spark plug and try starting your engine again. Keep your spark plug wire away from your spark plug hole as you spin your engine. The spark can ignite your gas.
Okay. I will have to get back to you as I have to get everything out. If this works, what is causing the excess fuel in the chamber?
Your carburetor could be flooding. Also, check to see if there is any gas in your engine oil.
Removed plug cranked engine that blew out gas and I blow out the spark plug. Tried it all over again and no fire, so removed plug and it was wet with gas. Does not appear to be gas in the oil.
Can you try again without your kill wire attached? It may be good to try a new spark plug, just in case. Here is something else you can try. Remove your fuel hose from your carburetor, to stop fuel flow to your carburetor, then dry your spark plug and spark plug hole again.
What is the kill switch for?
Your kill wire shuts your engine down when your key is in off position.
It sounds like I have issues with the carb.
I agree. Your carburetor is the reason for the excess fuel entering your combustion chamber. I suggest that you remove your carburetor and give it a really good cleaning.
Thanks. It sounds like a job for tomorrow. Any other thoughts if this does not work? New carb.
You are very welcome. Hopefully giving your carburetor a good cleaning will work for you. If not, then I would recommend a new carburetor. If you purchase a new carburetor, be sure to clean your fuel tank and replace your fuel hose and your fuel filter.
Thank you.
Also, get a new spark plug, just in case. I do hope all goes well for you.
Just unhooked carb fuel line and used starter fluid and it fired and ran until fluid was used up.
This confirms that your carburetor is at fault.
Appreciate all the help. And of course it was the last thing I would have guessed.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.